Hello, in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you different DIYs that you're not only going to use them for yourself, but you're going to be able to sell them. My goal is to turn your hobbies into a business. Here we are ready to work, and I am very excited to be able to share this project with you. And today what we are going to do is we're going to print this coffee mug, and it's sublimation. And what I really love about this is that the image doesn't show until they pour the hot beverage of their like. So what I do is once I print it, I put it in a box, and all these items I get them at wholesale price at Coastal Business. And what I really like about Coastal Business is that if you order $149 or more, you get free shipping, and you have no idea the tons of money that you're going to save because the mugs are very heavy. So I get this from there. I get the boxes from there. Let me share another few items that I get from there. These are bottled waters, the tumblers, and these are the 15-ounce coffee mugs. And on these ones, they also have different colors. The handle in the inside is in a different color. I think they have about six or seven different colors, so check them out. It's Coastal Business. Another thing that we're going to be using, because this one, when the person gets a gift, they're just going to see a black mug. So what I put inside, I put this little label that I print with parchment paper. You can also print it with regular paper, and it's going to look just like this. And I use Avery.com, and I'm going to put the link of the video. I already created a video that shows you how to use, how to print your own labels on Ivory, and the program is free. Okay. And in the back, I cut this, which is the sheets made out of recycled paper. And I'm also going to put the link of the video up here. There's a video where I show you how to make it. Okay. In order to cut your labels, I buy these at, you can find them on Amazon or Michael. Sometimes you get very good deals at Amazon. So this is the one that I use for that, for this label right here. Also, you're going to be needing heat pressed tape. And remember, all the links of the items that we're using, I'm going to put in below. You're going to be using a piece that covers your mug, and you can be able to grab it. Okay, and this is butcher paper. Okay, this was a special order that a girl ordered me for her cousin. So it's something very simple that she wants. But let me go ahead and move the screen around. Here we are. So the program that I'm going to be using to create, which is, I already created it, but it's very, very simple. I'm going to be using the Sagras, because I have a Sagras 400. So basically, you just go to start creating. And then you go to the drinkware right there, and then you select your mug. So because I already know what I'm going to put, I'm going to go back to my creations, and then I'm going to pull up my designs, and the coffee mug is already there. So that's all she wants, but she wants it in the black mug. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to go ahead and print it. So I'm going to get it print. And I'm going to show you also the sheets that I use, that I also get from Coastal Business, and I'm going to show you in a minute. But let me go ahead and start the process of the printing, and see you back in a minute. We are ready to print our mug. So here's the heat press that I was talking to you about. I got it from Heat Press SUBLIMATION.com, and I really enjoy this one. Most of the mugs, you print them at 400 for 30 seconds, so you can set up your machine right in here. And every coffee mug that you want to print, you need to wipe it with the cloth, with the soft cloth, so you can erase any fingerprints, actually any oils from your from fingerprints. So now we're going to decide where we want our print. So this is right there. I want it right there in the middle. So I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to put a piece of heat tape. Okay, so there it is, right about in the middle. So we're going to go ahead and put another piece of tape, and I'm going to grab my butcher paper. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, and if you find my content useful, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the all bell click on it, so that you get an email every time I post a video. So I'm gonna put this in the press, and it's gonna click when it's done. So it's gonna be about 5 minutes. And okay, our mug is ready. So this is what I was telling you. This is what I was telling you, that the mug turns white. Okay, everything is hot except the handle. So that's why I'm grabbing it by the handle. So now we're going to go ahead and pull the paper out and reveal our image. So there it is. Okay, cute. There you have it. So let me just tell you a little bit about how I charge for these mugs. These mugs cost me, I think, about $2.75 each, and they're sublimation mugs, okay? And then the sheet of the print, it's about maybe 50 cents, so you're looking at $3.25, even if they want 2 images. Now, remember, you need to account for the tape, your time, your electricity, the purchase of your equipment, the paper, everything else. So what I do is, when people order me a mug with only one side, I charge them $9.99. If they want 2 images or the whole thing around, I charge them $12.99, and it comes with the tissue and a cute box. Okay, so I hope that helps you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content of the videos. May the Lord bless you today and every day. Until next time, thank you.